Hello everyone and welcome to my nail art channel. Today I am teaching you pink nail art design step by step guide. Valentine's Day might be known as a hallmark holiday of full of chocolate, greetings, cards and loads of love. But it's also the perfect excuse of pop into the nail salon. While you might love your go to French manicure or plain pale pink nails, why not go outside the box with a little V of color ahead? Number one design is negative space sculpt nails. These pink and red negative space nails are nothing short of chic, with tiny acres of color along each nails. After age, this manicure is both simple and artistic. To create the look, use an ultra thin striping brush dip into the polish color of your choice. Number two design is red and nod. These bold red nails create a fun illusions with squiggles of nut throughout. While there's no rhythm or reason to the lines, an end look appears purposeful and out put together. Red with an edge. This dark twist on the classic French manicure is a great way to give a nod to Valentine's Day without going over the help. Style number 4, Red Ladies. Valentine's Day is known for its romantic air. One way to pay homage to the day is with sultry manicure that shows off the love and femininity of February 14. Case in point, these red silhouette nails, pastel outlines. If you could not already tell, we are suckers of well placed negative space. Here's paint box embrace the look with this pale pink outline creation, and we are in love. Picture perfect red nails. Sometimes a Valentine's Day ready manicure is as simple as painting your nails the perfect shade of red. And we don't know about you, but we think this hue might just be it. Try it yourself by purchasing Channel Lee Veronese Velvet Nail Color in Ultimate. Also check the tiny gold accents by Cuticles. High shine nails. These high shine red nails have earned thousands of likes, and for a good reason. With seasonal art and trendy coffin shape tips, what's not to love? Thank you very much for watching my today's video. If you have any query about this design, please comment me below. If you like my video, please hit the like button and share with your family and friends. Happy Valentine Days in advance. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye. Take care.